It's nice, isn't it? Hello, my name's Rob, welcome back to the Rad Stuff Photo Video channel. Today is a very cool day. One of the projects that I've been working on gets released into the wild, which is always very exciting. But before we get to that, I need to go and get some more of the shading done on the tattoo on the back of my hand, so let's get that done first. Well, that was delightful. Very stoked about this hand tattoo came out. And I was in a tattoo shop on Friday the 13th, so obviously it'd be rude not to get a Friday the 13th tattoo, so I got this little banger as well. And to celebrate it being Friday the 13th, I reckon when I get home tonight I'm probably going to watch the original Friday the 13th movie as well. So anyway, let's get to the point of why I'm making this video. Today a band called Lion Estates are putting out a new single. Along with that single, they're also putting out a new music video made by your boy. I travelled up to North Yorkshire to make it a little while ago, had an absolute blast. We got up super early for like a sunrise shoot and it paid off big. The opening shots where I'm panning around the guys in the band and it's got all the flares and the sun looks amazing behind them. It's so good, so glad we started out early. We battled torrential rain, high winds and just super bright sun as well on a typical British day, but the end result came out really well. The guys are super happy with it. It was cool to work with them because we both approached it with like the same mentality, and that was full send or don't bother. So we just gave it everything. So what I'd like to do this week is I'd like to show you a clip from that music video that I shot for Lion Estates. If you like it, then you can go and check out the full video on the band's Facebook page. I'll link it in the description, and you should go and check them out anyway because they're a very good band and they're lovely dudes as well. So before I roll the clip, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll be back again next week with another video and hopefully I'll catch you then.
You never thought to leave a piece of what I was behind for me. I wouldn't say you let me down. I wouldn't say you let me down.